Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable autocorrect in keyboard on iOS 18. To do it, go to Settings, then go to General, Keyboard, and now you can disable autocorrection. You can also disable auto capitalization, dot shortcut, check spelling, etc. Predictive text to disable autocorrection features. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.